I finally started with the hanging fixed-wing aircraft, which is a custom-made item for fans, and I want to ask if our aesthetics are okay, and whether this color is handsome. Assemble it first, and introduce this aircraft to you in a while. After printing, I found that the design of this aircraft is really reasonable. How about fans? Just this appearance you're not convinced? I simply pasted some stickers on the fuselage, and then briefly introduced this aircraft to you. This is a 4+1 vertical fixed-wing aircraft. There is also a thrust motor here in the tail. The wingspan of the aircraft is 1 meter. It is a small model in the model aircraft. Its normal take-off weight is 1,300 grams. The maximum speed can reach 150 kilometers per hour, and the range can fly 30 to 40 kilometers. These are all official data. I haven't flown a test flight yet. From the data, the speed and battery life are relatively good. Then the lid is this one. A deck holder that can mount an action camera. Then the tube that protrudes here is put and controlled. This plane doesn't look at the wingspan is not very large, but the wings can be quickly released. Here you can directly unscrew it by hand. You can take the wings off directly. That's how it was when you take it down. Then this is the bin cover snap. Rotate it to open the lid. This one is a fixed flight controller. After the flight controller is fixed, just push it from here to get stuck. So it's also a quick release module. Very good. Then the image transmits the line of the lens. You can pass through here. Then the protruding line. Through this card slot. Such a wiring of the fuselage. It's hard for you to be neat. And then here is a bunch of accessories. This is the fairing for the motor. But this one is black. I feel like it's useless. It may be the appearance. It looks better. The best thing is this. One of the aircraft designs. The camera gimbal module. Then these pieces. That's how it was assembled. Then you can rotate left and right. And swinging up and down. Then this is a module for fixed image transmission. The antenna sticks out from here. Then this is also modular. Just press it like this. Then here we screw the screws. Although this plane is not very large, but the function is expandable. That designation is not said. But my airplane drawings. It doesn't seem to be the original. It seems to have been modified. It stands to reason that the nose is here. It should be a round console. Then this gimbal. Embedded here. It's what it looks like in the picture. But my version is not. So this gimbal module cannot be installed. Becomes an integrated camera mounting location. There is no gimbal. You can't use head chase mode. In LPVD, we want the plane to take the lead in chasing. That feeling is the most refreshing. Basically, the introduction is over. Research these days. Install it for commissioning. Then I will shoot a video for everyone. If you like it, please like and follow. Finally, enjoy the handsome appearance.